Y'all know what they say about karma. For those of you who this video is for, there's somebody who is literally sick over you. There's somebody who missed out on an opportunity with you. And a lot of these people, it was due to their pride issues. It was due to their ego. This person is in a place where they're not doing well physically, meaning some of these people do have some type of substance abuse issue because they're sick over you. It doesn't just stem from that. When people have issues, they have their issues already. But when you pair that with something that truly hurts, that's what we have here with this person that we're talking about with you. This is somebody who they've been drinking. If this person already drank, well, they're drinking like crazy. That's all they do. Some of you, this person is like on other types of substances where they do this, and every time they do the substance, it actually makes it worse because then they go back to thinking about you. There might have been certain things that y'all used to do together, and it's like when this person goes into that state, they just reminisce, and it's like this person is going crazy about you. And the interesting thing about this is whoever this is for, you literally don't even think about this person. This video might be the only thing that has made you even think about this person or who that person could be in a long time. The thing is, no matter what they have going on in their life, like for some of these people, they might have something that's happened to them, like where they have some type of financial opportunity or something that they can do in regards to their career, or if they were creative or things of that nature, maybe something that they could do in regards to their art. But it's like they're not even able to take advantage of these opportunities. They're not able to enjoy the opportunities because you're no longer a part of the equation. The funny thing is when there are certain characters in your life, and especially this is why it's important for chosen ones to know who you are. You got to understand your value. You got to understand your worth as a person. You got to just know who you are in the Most High. Like, you are the light. Many of you have been the light in many dark places. And so there are certain people that maybe you've dealt with. Maybe you're like, well, these people should be fine. They have a lot of people around them, or they have money, or they have opportunities, or, oh, they're in the industry. They should be well connected. The thing about it is, I don't care what a person has physically. I don't care how many people are around a person. They could be around 1 million people. If they're around 1 million people and nobody got that light, that one person that comes into their life with that light is going to change everything. You could have truly had genuine love for this person. Even if, let's say, you knew certain things that this person was doing and you were turning the other cheek, you had a different type of love. You had a different type of compassion for this person. It's something that maybe God put on your heart, and it doesn't have to be that God put it on your heart in terms of that person. It's just like that's what you were led to do. Like, there could, like I said, this person could have been doing all type of stuff they had no business doing, but you still had a different type of grace for them. Like, that didn't matter. Like, for many of you who this was for, you just wanted this person to be real. You wanted this person to be honest and to be genuine. Some of you thought this person will probably work through certain issues that they're dealing with. It is possible. Some people do heal. Please, especially my ladies, do not take this and try to run with this. For one, as the disclaimer will say, I don't believe in changing for anybody. I definitely don't believe in changing a man. If a person wants to change, that's a decision they have to make for themselves. We can be an inspiration to change, and they still have to take that action upon themselves, but we don't change people. With that being said, I will say there are situations where, especially if you already have a person who does want to change, a person who has been already not just saying they want to change, but have been doing things in their personal life to work on that, and you bring another person who is healthy. Maybe they have worked through certain things, or maybe they just didn't have certain types of traumas and dramas, and they're able to be patient during that process. You can see certain situations where people come together, and because of the strength of the other person, because of the love, because of the compassion of the other person, they can end up getting on the same accord to where it can be very pleasant, when in the beginning maybe it was volatile due to just certain issues that one of the parties may have had. For some of you with this person, it could have been a thing where you was thinking that was possible. Like, you know what? Let me just be patient with this person. I feel like there's more here. This could have been in terms of friendship. This could have been in terms of romance. For some of you, this could be like a family situation, like a cousin or something like that. And you gave this person grace after grace after grace, and this person took you for granted. Some of you, this person literally like told lies about you. This person was literally a grease ball. This person was doing certain things behind your back that if you knew what they were doing, then it would have been to the point like where you're like, oh, this person's putting my life in danger. This person, they were very sneaky. It's like some of y'all were dealing with a literal narcissist. Some of you were dealing with somebody who's borderline sociopathic. And the thing about this here is, with you being out of this person's life, you were the only light literally in this person's life, especially in comparison to the people that they decide to hang out with, the people that they they decide to spend their time with. There are plenty of people in this world with light, but everybody's not hanging out with people with light. Some people will go find all the demons and run and flock with them. Birds of a feather flock together. This person, even though they knew you were different, some of them, they told you this is like, oh, you're not like anybody else. I've never met somebody like you. You're a different type of guy. You're a different type of woman. They continue to take advantage of you. They continue to run with their flock of birds and continue to do you dirty and dirty and dirty. Something happened where you was like, okay, nah, we cutting this. Like, whoever this is for, whatever this person did for y'all, and you would know what it was, they did something that put you to like a point of no return. I feel like for those of y'all who I'm speaking to, y'all still don't have any necessarily resentment or anything like that towards this person. It's just somebody that you're truly not interested in. And sometimes that's even more painful, because I spoke about this in another video not long ago. It's nothing like when a person can feel the fact that they can't even locate your energy. Many people disconnect from people. Oh, I'm cutting that person off. I'm never talking to that person again. They can never come over, but they still think about them all the time. And we can pick up on those things. We feel that everybody has some type of level of telepathy. Everybody is energetic. We're all spiritual beings, even for those who are not really tapped into that and think that they're just flesh. We all are tapped into that, some more knowingly than others. Some harness that more than others. Some do have more natural gifts in regards to that than others. But we all have the ability. We all have some proximity with it. So it's nothing like when you can feel that somebody has cut you, period. Lying, disconnected. They can't even locate your energy. There's somebody who is really distraught about this. Some of these people have tried to replace you with either a new friend or new friends. For some of you that this was romantic. Some of these people have tried to move on to another person or other people, and it just has not been right. It's crazy, because I feel like for a lot of you who this is for, this is something that could have happened a year ago, 2 years ago, even more. Some of you, this is something that happened like months ago, and you feel like it shouldn't even be that deep. And it's like this person is just really not able to shake you. No matter what's coming into their life, it's just not bringing that type of satisfaction. And one of the reasons is because this person is literally reaping what they've sown. They repaid your good with evil, and now evil just will not depart from their household. If you would like to book personal prophetic guidance with me for confirmation or any other things that you would like to discuss, definitely visit prettybossTV.com. It's always a pleasure to be able to provide that type of guidance to you. And shouts out to all those of you who I've been able to speak on the phone with or do video chats with. Even those of you who I've been able to do the pre-recorded audios. I always feel like we're having a discussion even if we're not on the phone. Blessings to all of you. If you would like to join our community where we do 30 days to success, we're doing the 30-night dream journey, and we got different types of 30 days to success. We just had our first movie night. We got a lot of different cool things that we do on the Patreon. We have live streams. We have a book club. We finally got our groups back, but it's right on the Patreon. So group chats are popping. Business videos coming. Y'all know where to find us. That's where we at daily. I ain't always daily on YouTube. Sometimes I take a whole hiatus from YouTube. But if you always want to be in, if you always want to get that work, if you always want to keep that alignment that we do over here on Pretty Boss TV, you know where to find us. Patreon.com/PrettyBossTV. Have a very beautiful, blessed day, week, weekend, wherever you are. Talk to y'all soon. Y'all willing. Peace.